scale, if you like. And the first note of that scale, I'll teach you a music theory term, tonic. Ever heard that term before? Tonic? Tonic just comes from the Latin, meaning tone. It's the central tone, the basement tone, the bottom tone on which a composition is built. So the key of G, first note, is G in the scale, built of a G major scale. Okay. Okay, Andrew. There you go. All right. Now we got 6 flats. Based on what I told you before, what key would this be? Matthew. Find the next to the last flat and just say what that is. Somebody just said it. A bunch of you just said it. G flat. G flat. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 flats, right? The next to the last flat is this one. G flat. This is the key of G flat major.
Now, the one where we had the B flat and no other notes there, what key did we say that was?
F. That's
F.
the key of F. And here's another way that you can remember. Go back to F major, Andrew. Another way that you can remember is to go down a fourth from that flat. But that's a little bit more complex, to go down 4 steps.
Oh, 4 steps.
B, A, G, F.
Oh,
You can do it that way also. It's just a bit more complex to think about it that way. I prefer the next to the last flat tells you the key. The problem with this one is there is no next to the last flat because there's only one, which is why usually music students are told just memorize that one rather than figuring it out by going down 4. Yes.
Is it F major?
It is F major. Yes.
F major,
Yes.
not F flat.
All of these, yes, all of these are major keys. This is F major. Say again? Because there's no next to the last flat on this. There's only one flat. With B flat, you've got 2 flats. You have to have a last flat or you have a next to the last flat. So, which is why
So do you I missed this, did you just memorize that that's F? Because that's
yes.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Or you could go down 4 steps.
You can do
Hang
either
down
one.
to F.
Yeah.
Okay, now, Andrew, put us to no flats, no sharps.
Why was on the first flat, why was the one below, why was that one lower than the top?
Say it again.
Like, why is this one lower than this one?
Okay, Matthew, that's a good question. Answer, these 2 clefs are different. This one, the lines all mean something different for the bass clef. Here we have E, G, B, D, F. Here we have G, B. So it's the same pitch. This is B flat, and this is B flat. This is B flat, right? This line, this note is B flat, and this line is B flat also. Okay?
Try to show the 11 lines original.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was original.
Yeah. You might say middle C is the split point between the 2 clefs. One ledger line up in the bass clef, one ledger line down. Now, Andrew, put a B flat on that line for me. Yeah, just take that up. Good, take that one down, the other one up. Okay, hear that pitch? Bum. Now, I guarantee you, this one down here is going to be all octave lower. Hear it? They're the same pitch. They're both B flats. The men in your chorus will read this staff. The women will read this one. This is for the higher voices, for the treble voices, and this is for the bass voices. Okay? Now, let's do this. Take a look at the second sheet in your packet and try to do those key signatures. By the way, somebody, what do you call it when you have no sharps and no flats in the key signature. C major. C major.
We just told me
Now, eventually someone's going to ask me, are there key signatures for minor keys? Turns out there are. We'll talk about that a little bit later. Let's just stick with major right now. Major keys. I'm more interested in your being able to read them than understanding the theoretical basis, theoretical foundations. It's the circle of this.
But isn't that falling on the key signatures too?
so.
Sure. See, the circle of fifths works like this. Each pitch one away from the other becomes dominant of that key. So C, G leads to C. C leads to F. F leads to B flat. B flat leads to E flat. E flat leads to A flat, and so on. So as you go around the circle. Some call it circle of fourths. There's one backwards as a full shirt.
I'm trying to remember the words, so I can't remember.
How's everybody doing?
Yeah, this is kind of weird. This is my first time learning this. I forgot. This is since I was
You're doing great, Matthew.
prior. I forgot all these notes. And I forgot them right here too. My memory's not very good at all. I tried.
You're doing good.
Yes.
You're doing great.
I know these.
There's a note, the last note is B sharp. Look at B sharp and then C sharp and then C. This one is C. That's what you have, if you don't play piano, that would be very difficult. This one's hard to skip that one. Yeah, it's that one. What's that? This one is the last.
Now, the second page is a little bit more complex key signatures, has more flats and more sharps, but the same principles apply. Don't let the amount of the flats mess you up. In terms of just knowing what the key is, that shouldn't be an obstacle. Now, sight reading in complex keys is a little bit tougher. Imagine you see an A in the middle of a composition, and you have to remember that every time it's A flat. That requires another thought process to do that.
Oh, right under it. It's right under us, isn't it? Getting mad at us.
How are we doing, everyone?
Good. Except for the light.
Okay. Let me just do the key signatures number 1 with you. What's the first one? C major. No sharps, no flats. C major. What's the second one?
D major.
Good, Matthew. You got it. Okay. Somebody tell me what the third one is.
I think it's D flat.
That's the one that's, when it's only one flat, that's the one that is,
You have to memorize
you
it.
have to memorize that one. I recommend you memorize that one. F major. Number 4, G major. Very good. Somebody other than Matthew. Number 5, the B flat. Very good. Number 6. A major. Number, is there one beyond 6? 7. Number 7. B flat major.
E flat.
Oh, I thought that was I was listening to that. It's E flat. E flat.
Oh.
Yep. E
It's the
flat.
last second, the last.
Right. Andrew, put E flat up, please.
Oh,
Okay, there's E flat.
alright.
What's the next to the last flat? First, second, last one. This one. What space is that on?
E.
The E space. E flat.
I'm understanding this now. I
Excellent.
got this from choir.
Excellent.
I'm
Okay, that's all I want to do with key signatures, but, oh, go ahead, Sharon.
I mean, I guess I'm confused with the wording. You use, if it's a flat, you use B flat major, or
Yes.
F flat major, or D sharp major, or,
It depends. If it's a flat key, yes, you're going to say the name of the next to the last flat. B flat, E flat, A flat.
you use the word major after?
Yes, all of these, everything that we're doing tonight will be major.
B flat major, D flat major, or G sharp major.
No, just G major. Half step up from F, if you're talking about one sharp,
Yeah,
half step up from F sharp is
G,
G, not G sharp, G. So you're going G major.
G major, G major.
Right.
So with the flats, it might be like B flat major,
That's correct, E flat major.
and this would be F major.
F major, that's correct. That's correct.
I know it.
What is 2 sharps, everybody? 2 sharps? D major.
I'm about to say that.
1 sharp.
Oh, I see.
1 sharp, everybody. G major.
See, I have those memorized, I don't think.
Oh, okay.
0 sharps and 0 flats.
Yes.
C major, correct.
What is good at music? So she does
1
that.
sharp,
I learned it when my kids.
G major. 2 sharps, D major. After a while, you just know them without even thinking about it. Now, the breakthrough is going to be when you're choral director or in church or any place you see a piece of music, you look at it and you say, there's 2 sharps at the beginning there. This song must be in the key of D major. And you would be,
Unless it's in a minor key and then.
and minor is what we'll talk about later. Right now, just major keys. Sharon, all of these you can say major, yes.
Alright.
G major, F major, C major, D major, B flat major, F major, etc. Okay, great. Let's put aside key signatures for just a minute. And I want to play some rhythm games with you. And I want to show you something. And Andrew, can we use the space bar for a musician or a Raleigh? Yeah. Okay, if you would, open up, don't close the videos just yet. Go down here and open up the first rhythm pattern.
Are we working on singing?
We're going to do some rhythm first. Okay, rhythm, a big part of sight reading. Huge part of sight reading. This is what we looked at the very first night. Let's see what you remember. You won't remember these, so they're still kind of fresh to you. We're going to clap these out, everybody. Okay? We're going to clap them out. Now, I think you have them there in your sheet if you want to look at them like that, or if you're more comfortable looking up here, whichever you prefer. Andrew, maybe you enlarge them a little bit? Almost. Yep, you gotta go back, sorry. Okay, can everybody see these well enough?
Yes.
Yes.
All right, let's clap them. Remember, the beat is 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a pulse. 4 beats per bar. All these in 4/4 time. All right, so let's clap them out. We got half note, quarter, quarter, half note, quarter, quarter, half note, whole note. Ready? 1, 2, 3, clap. And. Two, 3, 4. Excellent. I thought you'd get that. Number 2. Number 2. Here we go. Remember, there's a rest. Don't clap on the rest. Rest is silence. 1, 2, ready, clap. And. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good job.
You
Okay.
clapped on the rest, Joe.
Good job. Everybody, you're doing great. Okay, look carefully. 2 quarter notes. Silence. Quarter half. Silence. Quarter half. And then this one is tied. Remember the tie? That's 1 plus 2. So you count that for 3. Ready? 2, 3, clap. Silence. And silence. 1, 2. And 1, 2. Good job. You want to try that one more time for fun? 1, 2, second chance, go. Rest. 1, 2, rest. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Good job. You're doing great. Okay, now 8th notes. 1, ba, 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 ba. 2 of these per beat. Sometimes we say 1 and or 2 and. It's up to you. But however you want to approach it, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Bottom line is these are 2 even subdivisions of that beat. Ba, 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 ba. What's this?
Silence.
Silence. Rest. 2 beats, 1 beat, and then ba, 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 ba. Silence. Ba, ba. Let's try it. 1, Andrew, put it up in the middle of the screen. There we go. So here we are, everybody. 1, 2, 3, and ba, 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 ba. Silence. Ba, 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 ba. Rest. Ba, ba. Let's do that one again. That was very good. Second chance, everybody. 1, 2, ready? Ah, ba, 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 ba. Rest. Ba, 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 ba. Good job.
It helps if you do something.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try this one.
That's hard too.
Okay, this one, remember when you put a dot beside any note, you add half the value of the note back to the note. Therefore, this one right here, in 4/4 time, 4 over 4 is worth 2 beats, but when you add the dot, you add half of 2 back to 2. What's half of 2? 1. 2 plus 1, 3. So this is worth 3 counts. And it makes sense. Here's the bar. You got to have 4 beats, right? 1 plus 3 gives you 4. Okay? 1. These 2 are a beat. These 2 are a beat. And that's a beat. Ba, 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 ba. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, if you like. Okay? So, this one is 1 1/2. Ba, ba, ba. Ba, 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 ba. So, it actually, we say this happens on the end, the second part of the second beat. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Ba, ba, ba. The rhythm, the way I like to describe that in words is it fits America the Beautiful. 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 Let's try it. Ready to clap this one, everybody? 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. Rest. Good work. Very good. Let's do that one more time just for fun. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 4. Rest. Good. Everyone sees how that last bar is. Rest. 2, 3, 4. Good job. Slide up a little more, Andrew. As with anything else, those can get very complex. Musicians truly work, anyone who participates in music works all their life to better understand the concept of rhythm. It really is probably, when all is said and done, the most important feature of music is rhythm. Truly. Okay, should we try this one? Or, ooh, this one's tough. Okay, now we have eighth notes, and this is an eighth rest. This little sideways. Zoom in on that, Andrew, so we can see what that looks like closely. Yeah, see what it looks like there? It's kind of a little sideways hook. This is equal to that, or that. And by the way, why do these two look like this? Answer, you can take an eighth note, that's called flag. Remember from the first session, that's called flag. You can take two eighth notes, and you can connect them together with a beam across the top. That drawn line there is called a beam, B-E-A-M. This is a beam. These two can be joined together. Why would you join them together? It's easier on the eyes. You can now see that those two together equal one beat. One and rest. Ba, ba, ba. Clap this with me, everybody. I'll answer your question in just a second, Matthew. 2, 3, clap. Ba, 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 ba. You see how that fits together? Zoom out a little bit, Andrew. What's your question, Matthew?
Basically a statement, but the beams kind of remind me of like a door beam.
Oh, is that right? Yeah. The beam across the top of the door.
Oh.
It's very good, Matthew.
They call them beans.
I'm glad you came tonight, Matthew. All right, let's try this one together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. Here's the beautiful ba, ba, ba. Okay, very good. I'll have a second chance at that with everybody. 1, 2, ready, and. Rest. Good. You all are getting very, very good. Now I want to try something with you to show you how good you have probably become already. Andrew, go ahead and close this down. Just, actually close the bailies. Oh, yeah, go ahead and close the bailies. Save all those. Okay. And look for musician auralia. Let's open up musician. That is designed to sort of help you with fundamentals, issues pertaining to basic musicianship, which all of us need. All of us need. Click on rhythm tapping, Andrew. Okay, and click start. Turn this up a bit. Hear that click track? We used to call that a metronome. 3, 4. Now, Andrew, put the laptop up here on the desk where everybody can see what you do. Because I'm going to ask everybody to try this. All right? Andrew is going to tap on the space bar of the laptop the rhythm that he sees. All right? You all clap it with me now. Ready? Clap. 1, 2, ready, clap. Good. Andrew, can you tap that out? If he gets it right. Good. Andrew, let's try another one. Say yes. No, just say yes. Okay, that's fine. Okay, here we go. We're 2-4 time, 2 beats in each bar. Clap with me, everybody. 2, Andrew, don't do it yet, just everybody clap. 1, 2. 1, 2, 2. Now, Andrew, tap it. You say yes. Andrew?
Yay! This is like passing the night.
Rhoda, come on up and try it.
I want to.
It's 3 more.
I call next.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2.
Ooh, this is hard.
Andrew, say yes. Matthew, come on up and try it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You can't stop. What happened? If you stop, the program recognized that you didn't finish the rhythm and said, uh-oh. Try it one more time.
You have to hit the yes button.
Try it one more time. So, Matthew, you gotta give us 3 taps in a row and then tap on the half note and tap the quarter. 1, 2, go. You went too fast. You went too fast. Okay, Matthew, say yes. Wow, it's really great. So 2 beats on each one. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Tap, 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 2, 3, 4. Right. You can't go too fast. If you go too fast and you don't tap it on the beat, the program says, oops. No. Try again. Yeah, it's the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Almost. Almost. Almost there. Say answer. Say yes. Say yeah. And I want you to come up again in a second. Just watch. I'm going to have a couple other people do it, then I want you to try. Sharon, come on up. That ring is fierce. Okay. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job, Sharon. Excellent. Excellent. Somebody else, come on up. Come on up,
Vicky,
Debbie.
go ahead.
Song, come on up. Yep. Gotta know what that means. That's an easy one. Here we go. 1, 2. Good. Say yes. Excellent. Darwin, come on up and try it. 1, 2, 3. See, what are you doing right now? You're clapping it in your brain, right? 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Now, very good. Very good. Say yes, Andrew. Okay. Another volunteer. Come on up.
This is going to end.
You want to try it, Matthew? Now, Matthew, think. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. But you can't stop. Okay, Matthew, I'm going to do it once. You watch me do it. Put your hand right here. Okay, watch. 1, 2, go. 1, 2, 3. Got it? Good. Now, first one's going to be 3. Ready? 1, 2, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Oh, you don't have to hit it again because it's a whole note. So you just hold it. Okay? So, let's try it again. 2,